So starting the test drive in this Hornet RT Plus, like the overall driving dynamics, especially having this hybrid setup with such a small displacement 4-cylinder, I'm impressed with how it accelerates. Now I'm starting it out here in hybrid mode just to kind of get a feel for it. One thing I will say is for this to be a plug-in hybrid, and I could just be missing something, but I've kind of gone through it pretty well. I don't know if there's a way that you can get like a maximum regenerative brake, like almost, yeah, your max regen here. I don't know how to exactly do that, if it's possible. It's not looking like it is. I have a Pacifica hybrid plug-in, and to get the max regen, you have what would normally be the limiter. That's where you kind of put that there, and I think a lot of it probably has to do with this one not having the ECVT and it being a bit more performance oriented, with it being an RT. But I mean, you still get pretty impressive electric range with 33 miles EPA estimate. But I'm gonna give it a pull coming out of this. Well, I'm probably gonna wait to get on the interstate to give it a pull because there's not much gas here. So for now, I'm gonna put it back into the electric mode. Now with the electric mode, you're not getting, it's not a fully electric vehicle, so you're not gonna have the full-on pull. Your maximum power is not gonna be from the electric motors. You're gonna get that in the hybrid mode, but you still have pretty good pickup for regular driving in the electric mode. Just getting up to speed, driving around town, that'll be more than enough. So when you put your foot to the floor in the electric mode, you're not gonna get a necessarily exhilarating ride. That's meant to be economical. And I think it's a good move by Chrysler, because it does make this more of a practical car, not necessarily a sports car, until you put it into that hybrid mode. All right, so I'm gonna give it a pull here. Here we go. So now this doesn't have any gas, and I think what it's doing is it is allowing me to kind of use the engine until I can go into fully electric mode. But once the gas engine kicked on, it was ready to go. That was pretty impressive. And the ride quality is actually very good. And honestly, the sound coming from the vehicle was very impressive as well. Just a nice overall feel coming from this car. Just how much fun it is to drive, how smooth it rides, and then just how practical it is. Just a tad bit expensive, but you do get something that's pretty capable, I think. But all in all, I think this is a pretty good car. I mean, it's fun to drive. It's a little weird when the gas engine kicks on, but when it's on, it's ready to go. And for a 1.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, just pretty impressive performance. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Dodge Hornet RT Plus.